In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Open With menu to edit images or PDFs from Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to launch your files into the right editor, make your changes, and save everything neatly back to Drive. Start by opening your web browser and going to drive.google.com. Sign in if you're prompted. This process works best on a desktop browser because it gives you the full right-click menu and the widest range of editing options. Next, locate the image or PDF you want to edit. You can browse to the folder where it lives, or use the search bar at the top if that's quicker. When you've found the file, place your cursor over it and right-click. A menu will appear with several options. Choose Open With from that menu. You'll see a list of apps that can handle that specific file type. Think of this as telling Drive, open this file in an editor that knows what to do with it. The apps you see depend on the file and what you've connected to Drive. For images, you might see editors like Pixlr, Photopea, or Google Drawings. For PDFs, common choices include Google Docs, Adobe Acrobat if it's connected, Kami, or Small PDF. If you don't see the app you prefer, it likely means it isn't connected to your Drive yet, and you may need to add it before it appears here. Click the app you want, and your file will open in a new tab or window. Now you can edit. For images, that could mean cropping, adjusting colors, adding text, or working with layers depending on the editor. For PDFs, you might annotate, highlight, add comments, reorganize pages, or, if you open a PDF in Google Docs, convert it to editable text. Keep in mind that converting a PDF into a document can change formatting, so review the result to make sure it looks the way you expect. When you're done, saving works in one of two ways. Many apps that integrate with Drive will automatically save your changes back to your Drive file. You'll often see a small saving indicator or a confirmation. Other apps require you to choose Save, Export, or Save to Drive. In those cases, pay attention to the file name, format, and destination so your edited version lands in the right folder. Some tools create a new copy while keeping the original untouched, which can be helpful for versioning. Finally, switch back to your Drive tab and refresh if needed. You should see your updated file or the newly saved copy. That's all there is to it. Using Open With lets you leverage the best editor for the job while keeping your files organized in Google Drive.